here are 3 tips to create beautiful animal eyes. Tip number 1, dark base layer. In a dark base layer, this creates depths when layering midtones and lighter colors on top. Tip number 2, apply midtones over dark. Use the color that is predominant in the eye for midtones. So basically, if it's a brown eye, use brown for your midtone. Tip number 3, apply highlights and accent colors. Use light blue for light reflection. Pop in some bold accent colors and add a white dot. This adds connection to your animals. And when we can connect to the eyes, we can connect to the total painting.